What's up, friends? I got a cool new product here. It's just sent to me. Now, in full disclosure, this was sent to me. I didn't pay for it, but I am going to just review it honestly. Just like the stain on my shirt right there. Hey, look, this is a real video. I'm trying to give it to you real. This is a USB-C to lightning cable. It's a 2-pack, and they're 3 meters each. That's like 10 feet. So if you want to get your iPhone connected to anything that's USB-C, this cable is absolutely what you need. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so it just comes in this pack, super basic, but we'll open it up and take a look and see what's going on here. One-handed. So here's one, and we'll just go see what's going on. All right, so it comes just like this, as you would expect. Now on one side, Lightning for iPhone, and on the other side, USB-C. So that's going to go into any laptop. You could connect an Android phone to an iPhone like that. You could connect an iPhone basically to anything with this cable. And they're each 10 feet long. There's 2 of them in here. That's fantastic. There's another guy down there. And that's all that comes with this thing. So if you're like me and you're, a wedding DJ and you're constantly transferring files back and forth from random stuff, from different devices, from iPads to iPhone, to back to your desktop, to your laptop, this is the cable that you're going to need. And it's long enough to get you anywhere you need to go. And, that's pretty much everything that I look for. Other than, does it work? So let's go make sure it does, and we'll be back in just a second. Good news, friends, it worked. Just transferred files from my iPhone straight over to my laptop. So everything's golden. It does work, and just like you would imagine it to. So I'm excited for you guys to try this out. I'll put the link in the description. Super basic video, but it's a basic product. It's just something that's going to help you out and make your life and your workflow a little bit easier. Hope this helps.